Welcome. In this video lesson, I'll guide you through the process of how I made this finance flyer design using CorelDRAW from scratch till finish, which you can do the same, like you can apply same process of how I did man, and you get the same result without skipping the video. That's if you watch patiently from beginning to end, which is I'll be also be dropping basic tips and other tips you need to know either as a beginner or you need to CorelDRAW or you're using CorelDRAW already, which you feel CorelDRAW is complicated to you. CorelDRAW is not complicated, you just get the foundation wrong in this time. So let's get straight into the video. I always say when designing a flyer, either for a company yourself or anything you need, what you need is sorry for that, company's name, company's logo, company's catchy topic, companies what they are known for. You get their, I can contact them, and their address, that's their location. That is what you need for a flyer. That was why I got this one. Then elements, I always include elements. You get. Now let's get straight into the video of how I made this one, guiding from scratch till finish without skipping, as you get it without skipping. Now, firstly, I always tell you anything you are doing is inside shape. How to get this is F6. That's this functional key, but I'm just going to click it here. You can see my cursor. Just draw any I want to draw. Then come over here. You can see my cursor. Just highlight and right 10. That I'm using 10 by 10 inch. Get 10, 10. Then click on enter. F4. Control space. That's for you to move this. I want to make it straight. Now let me take my guideline. My ruler, how am I going to take my ruler? I'm just going to click here. You can see my cursor. Click on here, then this. You can see that that's very simple. I'll do that. F4. Yeah. All these, see, in designing you need ruler. Do you know the reason? Ruler is just for, ruler is just guideline. Understand? It's just guideline for you to see what you're doing and for you to know what you are doing. Understand? So because if you see this guidelines, I know it might looks complicated, might looks, oh, what is it doing, or how am I going to do same? Don't worry, just stick with me, just watch the video, be patient. You're gonna get same results. I assure you after watching this video without skipping. This guideline, this ruler, the purpose is just for you to know, oh, this place I'm going to keep, I'm going to place the logo here, I'm going to put the scratch topic here, I'm going to put what they're known for, I'm going to put picture, I'm going to put address here. That's the basic, that's just the use of ruler in designing, which every corridor designer or every designer must know. That is what you must know. That is what you're expected to know. You get, that's for you to know, because definitely before designing something you must have an idea. You get, you just come create something with your idea. You understand? That is what graphic designers are known for. They'll just sketch work and you expect to bring it to life. You understand? So now let's continue. First, after drawing your shape, that's you doing same. I always advise first as a beginner or you want to design anything, you first get your element, which means your image you need for the design. Not just when you start going to be downloading or start looking for pictures. Get, just first get all your pictures ready, then move straight to the design. Now let's continue. After that, I'm not gonna import, I'm just gonna copy the picture from here. That's what I already used, and just power clip in the other one. You see, this one I already just, this one is just the first the first my background that I use. I'm going to click on Control C. That's for copy. You can see this ruler, you can see this one. I got it from this. You can generate it. You can generate it from any AI platform, that's Gemini. This one is just Gemini logo. I generated this picture from Gemini. You can get, just generate yours, just describe it as white background, house in it, trees beside, then four image, father, son, and the three kids. Just tell it, prompt it like that. It's going to give you same results of how I did mine, where I was water pool at the back. Just, you can describe this picture. Let me just zoom a little bit for you to see, which I believe you can see. You have describe it perfectly like this without the car and this wristwatch, because I did this on, they are separate. You can see Control Z. Then this other one as well is, you can see separate. So just only the background instance. So after that, you just you get it, then you download it. Control C, copy. As you download it, right, I'm just going to Control V here. You can see. Then I'm going to paste it inside of this. Come over to object. But if you have yours, just to bring your, that's the downloaded image from Gemini, just come over to CorelDRAW. That's when you already send it to your system. Open CorelDRAW, head over to object, power clip, place inside of frame. Then you can see this arrow, just place inside of the object. Then right click, edit power clip. You can see my cursor, edit power clip. Then come over here, drag and position it how you want it to be. So I'm just going to position this properly. I'm just going to position this properly. Oh yeah, yeah, yes, this one is okay. Like, I think it's like this. Yeah, like this. Go finish. So you see, firstly we've gotten the background. You can see the use of this ruler. Look at this cursor now. If you can see this my cursor now, you can see me. This one at this object here. Look at it. This guideline is on top of this man's head. You see. Now let's see what I did here, man. You can see the same exact one because I already know how to use my eye to gauge something already. You see, it's just particular. It's not closer to the ruler, just somewhere around here. You get that correctly. So see, we've gotten that. Next we're gonna do is just bring our ruler. Okay, now let me bring this logo and this one. I'm not gonna type it again. No, I already did that one. I'm gonna duplicate. How did I do that? It's very simple. Just watch. I just, you see it's already highlighted. I just click on this four arrow. When you see I'm dragging, I just hold my shift key. Shift key is also to straight. I'm gonna move. I'm holding my mouse and my shift key together, moving. So if I like it, then I just right click. Very simple like that. Try it. I know it might be difficult for you as a beginner. Just try it twice, you're going to get it. Very simple like that. I'm just going to reposition this. Then I'm going to bring this my ruler in. You see this arrow, but if you want to bring it from here, just come over here. Don't, not this shape, not all these two tools here from the toolbar. Just come here. You can see you can see this arrow. Just come here, move, then place it wherever you want. You can see that we just did that, which means this first ruler here in this page is going to guide him that everything I'm designing must not get out to this main. You can see to the main shape. Everything will end here. Understand? Apart from these objects. You understand? Very good. So let's continue. We've gotten that correctly. Then this my test. You see, I used Modin 1, then 36 PT. That was why I just borrowed the coffee. Then this other one I used Nexabo, then 24 PT. That was what I used. I always tell you in design you don't need too many fonts. You understand? So that's just what you just need. Then this other one, this R, you can download it from Pinterest. Any picture you want to download, you can download it from Pinterest as well. I'm just gonna group this. Control G. That's to group. Then move. You see, hold my shift key back, move, drag, drop, etc. How to place any image is set. It's just very simple. Just it's already highlighted. Just hold your shift key, hold your shape. You see, both of them is just you click on C in your keyboard. Let me do that one more time. Control Z. You can see the difference. Let me zoom for you to see something. I'm just gonna see it's already grouped. Then just hold my shift key, move my mouse, click on the object that's to center to the object. You see that? See, I just made. That's very simple. Then click on C. That's C in your keyboard. Just letter C. That is it. Very good. So we've gotten that correctly. Now this one I use the same next very down. You can see my cursor. Very down now then 30. Let me just take this to 13. Because I dragged it enter. 13 is okay like that. You can see no, 13 is too small. 13.5 is gonna work. 13. The part you get point just normal full stop in your keyboard, 3.5, and click on enter in your keyboard. That's just like that. I'm gonna move this here. Then right click. You can see that. And this other one is very simple. It's just, let me just show you. It's just normal shape. Then I curved the edge. Go back to pick tool. Let me just use this color for example. Then I remove the outline F12 in your keyboard as functional key. None. Okay. See that I just come back to transparency like this. You can see. That's very, let me just do that one more time. See this transparency too. You can see this dot dot dot. See transparency. Just come click on it. Then head back to the object that you want. You see, just place it anywhere, then you drag, can make your adjustments, drag. If you can see, if you drag, you see the effect, and drag, drop, then any you see, now you want it. That is why I did that one. And I don't need that one. So this one, this all this tick, just gets the line. But I'm just gonna copy and bring over. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold my shift key, then right click. See that? So I've gotten that correctly. That's how you're gonna do your same, not more than what I just. Then same this one apply now. This one is just normal. This white line is just out. It's just shape. Just draw your shape. Go back to pick tool. Your shape tool now. Click on your shape tool. Curve the edge how you want it. Then go back to F12. Then you can see my width. I'm just gonna increase this. You see when I'm increasing it, make adjustment. The first I'm going to change this color. It's white. Do exactly what I'm doing. You see, get the same results. You don't click on behind with object and behind skill. This is only applicable to text only, not to up and not to shape. It's okay. You can see that. Very correct. There was I did that one. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna copy from here. You can see that we're going. Yeah, we're getting it. And click. Yeah, somewhere here like this. Very good. So we've gotten that correctly. I hope you're following me. Got that correctly. So what's next to do now? Let's import our car. Let's bring our car and our wristwatch and see. Let's go and copy this. Copy, Control C. Finish editing. You can download this one from Pinterest. This car and wristwatch, Control V. Then it's already highlighted. Just go to object, power clip, place set of frame, and arrow. Then edit this on power clip. Then move the two. Let's just Control G. Then you move the two. Put the shift key. Move. Okay, it's not like that. Let's just take it a little bit. Let's just take it a little bit. Hold your shift key too. Okay, it's not like not okay, still like somewhere like this. Very, very good. Like this. Finish. You can see that very that was how I did that one. But let me make little adjustments. Let me take this one down. Yes, so finish. Yeah, this was it. Look at it now. I just left this one and half of it. Finish F4. Can see that now it's better that way. Then Control U, because I already grouped it. That's Control U is to ungroup. Control U. Okay. I brought it down to just this first one. You can see that was how I did that one. F4. It's okay like this. Finish editing. So you can see that very good. So I've gotten that correctly. Now this other one, you can see something like you can see something like this. This one. And let me just do it in the other one. I don't want to copy that one. One is very simple. Do not take much time. Edit power clip. Just over to your shape tool like this. Just drag anyhow you want. Anyhow you want it. Come here. Your shape tool as well. You curve. No, not too much. Like not too much curve like this. Like that. Then F12. That's to increase the width of the line. Let's take it this way and see what we're doing. 3. Let's change this color to white. You can see my cursor do exactly what I'm doing. You're gonna get same result I show you. 6 3. I think this one, no, that 6 is gonna work. Then okay, it's finish. So you see we've gotten that correct. It says cursor on top of the line. Finish. Then next, this one is the same shape. That was I did that one, and I gave it the same. I just gave it black color. Let me just do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. So here like this. Then pick shape tool again for it to curve to get this rounded edge and black color. You can see, just click on black. That's just like that. It's very, very simple. Okay. That's the one. Then this one is just normal text. This one you can download it, then as well as other informations that you would need for it. Let me just group and copy on my shift key. Then okay, that's right click. Then finally remove your outline F12. Don't forget to always remove your outline, not to avoid when printing. That is very simple. You saw our guideline helped us. You saw guideline really helped us in this design you get. But if you're using your this vertical one, saying you just know that this first one, oh, I'll advise you get your computer or your laptop as you watching. You understand? So you do it because I already have an idea, but I already know how to do. I already know what I'm doing. That is why it's not like I already use my eye to gauge get. So which is gonna do same. I believe with this video will be helpful. I believe with this you are able to do something very similar of how I made this outstanding flyer design. for a finance company. If you're watching this video, you're interested in learning my one-on-one class, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp number in the description below of this video. Or you are a company, you want me to design a flyer for a company, a brand anywhere in the world, please reach out to me. I'll be very glad to work with you. Thanks for watching.